Thank you for attending class. To recap, when calculating problems with multiplication and/or division, remember to use the number in the operation that has the least number of significant figures. However, when you take the last sig figs, you got to know your rounding rules. So, if the digit that follows the last sig fig is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, then keep the last sig fig the same. If the digit that follows the last sig fig is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, then increase the last sig fig by 1. Furthermore, if the equation only contains multiplication and division operations, then all you have to do is solve the problem going from left to right. Thank you for attending class. To recap, before doing any addition or subtraction operations, make sure all of the numbers have the same power of 10. After you do that, it becomes a simple matter of completing the operation. However, you have to pay attention to how many digits after the decimal point are in the result. You've got to have the least number of digits after the decimal point in your final answer. All of those resulting digits will then be significant. Thank you for attending class. To recap, when solving an equation that contains parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and/or subtraction, you solve it by prioritizing what operations appear first when using the mnemonic. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Once you have that down and all of the math rules we discussed in previous videos, it becomes a simple math equation you can solve. You can always check your answer with your calculator, but remember, you are smarter than your calculator because the calculator doesn't know the sig fig rules. So always perform your addition and subtraction with paper and pencil. That way you won't lose your precision. Again, do not round until the last operation. Otherwise, you may lose that precision. Once again, thank you for watching. If you like what you saw and want to support us, be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment and we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible. Because we are Friend and Chem, our mission is to make learning chemistry fun, easy, and effective. So, see you next time.